Thank you all so much for stopping by today. So y'all, I had to make this video because oftentimes things are unexpected, and this totally was. But I'm going to show you. I didn't realize it would make that much noise. Hold on, y'all. Hold on just a second. Okay, so that was the garage going up. But let me tell y'all, now that I know gardening season is on the way, I try to make a list to just try to stay on schedule. I know things happen, and things has happened today that I'm going to get ready to share with you. Sometimes things happen that are unexpected, and so you have to make adjustments. No, this wasn't in my time slot to do, but this is what happened. So Chris got up to leave for work this morning, and he comes back in, and he was like, somebody has moved. He said, did you put fertilizer in the front? And I'm like, it's been raining all day yesterday. I said, I didn't even go outside. And he was like, this is what I'm talking about. Let me tell y'all, Chris stayed ready. He stayed ready. He stayed ready for you. He stayed ready for me. So I got up, put on some clothes, and I'm like, let me go see. So I'm going to turn the camera around because I've already moved it, but I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so y'all just imagine in your mind, this is like still dark, dark 30 in the morning. So right about here, right along here, there is just like a bag of biotone just sitting here straight up. And I'm like, why would I just leave? Now, sometimes I do leave stuff, but not fertilizer. I don't leave that out. And so I got it and put it up. And I said, Chris, why would somebody want biotone fertilizer? Like, really? I said it had to be an animal. So I'm going to walk back here and I'm going to show you what I have to rearrange and straighten up today. And I know it was an animal. I know it was, because who else could it have been? I've been seeing a cat kind of walk up and just like make his way under the truck, but it was really crazy. And I think the reason why the animal did it, so this is what I come out to. I think the reason why the animal did it, I didn't even see my garden tone because this was open too. Maybe. Okay, so let me back up. This is what was like right where I just showed you, just open like this. And I'm like, it had to be a cat. I don't know what it was. Whatever it was strong enough to pull it. And it seems like maybe it got tired and just left it there open just like this. But what I was telling Chris is this y'all was like towards the back. So they had to pull this off to get to what was open. But I'm looking now at the garden tone that was open too, and they're pretty much the same. Like, well, this is a 25-pound bag, and that's a 20-pound bag, but they're kind of like the same thing. And I don't know if this wasn't open enough where they could just like get in, but all of the other ones are closed. So now what I'm going to have to do, and I know that animals can climb, I'm going to have to move the ones that are open like this. But let me tell, real quick, as I'm thinking, like I'm doing some thinking as I'm talking to y'all, I had this rolled up real good, but maybe the smell just kind of overtook it and then they got it, because I'm like, why would somebody want fertilizer? And I put this out here because we have more of the big bags in the workshop, but when I tell y'all the smell is pungent, it is pungent. And I'm just like, let's not put all of it in there, because I don't want it like knocking me out with the smell as soon as I, walk in. So I'm probably gonna move it on this top shelf right here, just until, or maybe I'll just take, maybe I'll just take these two bags right here, this one and this one, and just put it in the put it in the workshop. That's what I'm going to do. But like I was telling Chris, it had to be an animal. I mean, I wouldn't think a cat would be able to pull this. I mean, it's not, you know, it's probably like a fourth left, but it's still kind of heavy. You know, we got this much left in here, but it's still kind of heavy. And then this one is wide open because I would think maybe they would get this one, but yeah, they've been doing whatever right here. So we'll sweep that up too. But those are some things, y'all, that when you don't have stuff planned, you just have to make a little slot in there for, just say, mishaps, maybe. I guess that's what I can say about that. A couple little mishaps going on, but that's what I woke up to this morning. So in the interim, what I'm also going to do is maybe put some type of lighting out here, just so we can see. If I do hear something out here, I want to check over here too, because I had this fertilizer in here. So I don't know, and maybe it's something about the smell. And then I have this right here. So that's what happened, y'all, and that's what I'm going to have to do. It won't take long, but it wasn't part of the plan. Okay, so again, I'm going to take those 2 bags. I'm going to put them in the workshop since they're, you know, open pretty good. And yeah, that's what we're going to do. But this will take probably about, I would say, a good 20 minutes, because what I did want to do is go ahead. I need to make some more seed blocking soil. It's a mixture of like peat moss and compost and green sand. And so I like to make it a lot at a time. And that just ran out. It actually lasted some months. So I ran out, and I need to just make another bulk thing. So that's what I'm going to do after I get done cleaning this up. So y'all let me know if something like that has happened to you. There are 3 cats that are around here, but I just cannot see them pulling and lifting that like that. Maybe some type of another animal or something. But anyway, that's what I'm going to get done. A couple more other things that I got to do, but I try to take it a little bit at a time. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure you share this video with your family and your friends. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead, tap the subscribe button. Make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye-bye.